It has the jade green color. Jaded. So, Mimix 3. This is the Snapdragon 845 version. 128 gigabyte of storage and 6 gigabyte of RAM. There's not really much on the box. Basically just the codes and logo. Box looks nice. Some kind of carbon. It's looking like it's like a carbon. Anyway, plastic all over it. Let's open it. See what's inside. What's the knife? Satisfaction. Smells incredible nice. Oh my god, this smell is amazing, amazing. And the fingerprint magnet a little bit. Oh, shines. Let's open it. Come on. Oh. Damn, it is huge. I just have to. It smells nice. Okay, lift it. Oh my god, jaded green. Can you see this? I don't think the camera is. Something's wrong with the light because this green is much intense than in the camera. Put it aside. I need to change the light. In 1 second, I will do it. So I lift it. This. Okay. Oh, some kind of one the road explanation. I can't read in English. Read this. Improve by 1%. That's all it is. So we have a wireless charger. That's nice of them. Very nice. We have a normal charger. That's very nice of them. What's the 1.5 amps? So 12 volts. Okay. Is this USB Type-C cable or not? USB Type-C. Okay. QR code. Pause the video if you want to scan it. What else we have here? Anything? Oh, don't want to damage anything. Come on. Where's the knife? And there's something here. Something. Ooh. A case. And some papers. Okay. Put it aside. Mimix 3 manual and another paper and the case. Ooh, very light, extremely light case, and it's in green. I like it. Okay, let's put it back. Let's put this aside. Now the phone itself. Oh, it is cold, very cold. So, and pretty heavy. Power button, volume button. You can see the camera, two lenses, microphone, fingerprint sensor, two speakers, USB Type-C, and on this side, no, that's the, I don't know what this is. This is the SIM card tray, some kind of button, power button and volume button. Okay, it is heavy. Let me bring the weigh. That's the weigh. Now you can see 220. Satisfaction. Very nice, my friend. Very nice. It's very quick. Look how quick this is. Damn. Okay, so how is this work with the extra cover, which is included in this packaging? Slide it in, and it's still working because there is no protection here. Come on, focus camera. There is no protection here, and there is no protection here. Look, everything is not covered, so it will work just like that. Okay, so this is only an unboxing. You can see the first impression is awesome. Very cool thing. Let's see about the phone. Now you can see Android 9. There it is. 6 gigabyte of RAM, 128 gigabyte of internal storage. Available is 114. Yep, very quick phone. Okay, this is just the unboxing. The review will be in the next video. So that was just the unboxing. The first impression is awesome, especially those accessories. A lot of accessories. The cable, the wireless charger, everything. Come on, this is great. Not like an iPhone, you don't get anything. You barely get a normal charger, barely. So first impression is nice. A very nice cover. This will be very addictive. So that was just the unboxing. So stay tuned for the deeper review of the camera and audio and everything. So for now, thanks for watching.